So Strimz is a billing layer for stablecoin, and it has two models of payment processing: the one-time payment and recurrent payments like subscriptions for merchants for businesses. So this is the Strimz documentation, and here we have the get started, the concept using the dashboard, reference patterns, and then operations. So the backend of Strimz is live on AWS. So the first thing to do is to create an account. So here I click on continue. So I want to create an account and I'm going to use this email address. So we are using Privy. Once this goes out, it sends so this is Stream some email here. All right. So welcome to Streams. And then I hit on this. So this is the onboarding page. So Privy has a way of creating handling embedded wallet. So that's the wallet address created from Privy. So we click on complete onboarding. Let me take you quick through the system. So this is just an analytics page on the dashboard. And here we have the proper charts that showcases, but currently it is very much empty because this merchant is just coming on board. Likewise, the sections, the subscriptions, the invoice, so refund has nothing. So the first thing we do is we want to integrate Streams. I created a demo platform for that. Fanline is a platform that where end users support creators. You can send a tip, and you can also subscribe. So the sending of tip, one-time payment, the plan subscription being handled by Streams. Both of them are being handled by Streams. All right, but then I need to create a secret key and then a publishable key, because this particular project is using Streams SDK. It's actually leveraging on Streams what SDK. So go to APIs. So there's nothing here yet. So I go here and then I hit on generate key. This place, go to environment variables. I will use it here and then hit on save. Then head over to this place again, create a publishable key, the public key, Streams publishable key. So this is it here. I use it to update this. So here, I want to make a one-time payment. I want to send a tip, and here I'm selecting $5, and then I hit on this. So this is how it works. Streams is handling the payments flow. So here we connect the wallet. I need to sign this transaction. But for the receipt, you enter your email and then hit on pay. So sign the transaction. All right. So the payment flow went through successfully. I've been able to send the tip to line via Streams. So if I come over to this particular dashboard, I can get the notification payment received. So Streams have their own indexer that indexes what transactions. For every subscription and transaction that goes on, Streams collects its own portion, as you can see here. So come over to this particular place and then try out the subscription. I have to like connect the wallets. All right, and then hit on subscribe. This is subscription intent to sign. Subscription is now active, and this is the transaction hash. So your first charge has been recorded on chain. You will now see a new subscriber. Now let's look at invoice. So invoice is that particular page for a merchant to send an invoice payment to his or her client. I'll get this particular invoice only sent out. Then now it's now on the stage of awaiting payment. So if I check my inbox, I can now see invoice. You can also copy and just send to the user. So here I have this, and then once I click on it, it will open, it will open the page, the checkout page for me to actually make the payments. So Streams is handling a whole lot for businesses and for freelancers also. It's on pay, so sign the transaction. All right, so payments made. I can now see that I received the receipt for this invoice payment. This merchant can actually showcase his services and the charge for it or his product and the cost for each of them. So here we create one for us for ourselves. This is very much simple, powered by Streams. And then this is like I want to buy this particular item. I can now hit on it. You know, All right, so this is it. If I hit the dashboard, it's showing payment received. So this particular AI agent system or service is not fully live. It doesn't have access to the merchant's funds. It handles flows on behalf of the merchant. So here is the webhook page where a merchant can actually set up webhook URL and then define the mode and then the events, check the events he or she wants to, you know, incorporate. Thank you.